warmly welcome you all to the orientation program of Anvalan College of Business Management and Anvalan College of Computer Studies. The key to success is to keep the sparks of your life shining all the time. You have come here with an intention to achieve something in life. I am very sure that you are all filled with excitement, the excitement of new college, new friends and many more. I call this excitement the part within you that makes you feel truly cherished today. You deserve every bit of your success. Good luck for your future. Now I request Mr. Ahmed Beg, sir, board member, Anvalan College, to come on to the dais and raise the issue. I request Shahnaz panel to felicitate Mr. Ahmed Beg, sir. Please come on to the dais and occupy the seat. I request Bushra to felicitate Usman sir. Now I request Mohammad Ibrahim Mateen sir, Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator, Anvalan College of Business Management, please come on to the dais and occupy the seat. I request Anil sir and felicitate Ibrahim Mateen. Thank you sir. I request Sadia madam to recite a few verses of Holy Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى أرأيت إن كذب وتولى ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية ناصية كاذبة خاطئة فليدع نادية سندع الزبانية. In the name of your Lord who has created man from a clod. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who has thought by the pen, has taught man that he knew not.
Thank you, Sadia madam. I request Shabana madam to give the brief introduction about the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I feel extremely honored to introduce our director, Mr. Ahmed Beg. Sir has graduated from Arts and Science College, Srinagar, scoring highest marks in economics and securing highest marks in LLM course. He has vast and varied administrative experience and he was selected by ABBS to work as in charge in finance department of AB Secretariat. He was the founder and principal of AU College of Commerce. Later, he worked as marketing and logistic manager in Saudi Arabia. So has also worked as controller of examination, HOD, vice principal at AU College. He has participated in several national seminars, symposia, workshops held by UGC, JNU, JMI, and Madras University. So,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Abi Janab Dr. Usman bin Salem, Principal, Anwar College of Business Management. Abi Martabat Janab Ibrahimuddin Saab, Vice Principal and Accuracy Coordinator of Anwar College of Business Management. Other professors, associate professors and faculty members, and my dear young and vibrant students who have chosen to join this institute as the class of 2023. At the outset, I would like to congratulate you for choosing this course of business administration. My son, who is working in the MNC in USA, Broadcom, he did his MSc, his MS in USA, and he has put in 50 years of service. And now he holds a position of senior engineer there. But he says that his friend who graduated in management has become CEO of the company. And MBA holder with 7 years of service is manager. He has 15 years of service, still working under a manager who has put in only 7 years of service because that manager holds MBA. So that's the difference and importance of business administration. It gives you the opportunity of becoming a leader. So those who do not make it now, they are repenting and regretting it. So that's why I congratulate you for choosing a very right degree. A good management degree has always been a passport to high time care. However, pedagogy of the field is changing rapidly thanks to the transformation brought about by the next normal on campuses, classrooms, industry and economy. You are aware that now we are talking about the new normal or the next normal because of this pandemic. It has transformed and changed everything, every field of life, including the education sector. Work from home has become a norm for many sectors, whereas many management and leadership programs from Indian and outside have been strengthening on CV. However, skill gap continues to be widening. Because of new challenges, the old traditional methods of teaching are not working. Next most thing is this owner of Tesla, Elon Musk. 20 years back, no one was has the idea of going for a electric car. Then no one thought that a private individual, a private company can send people in the space. He did. Now he is sending more satellites in the orbit than NASA. And the other day I was reading that he will be the first person in the world to become a trillionaire, not only a millionaire, a trillionaire, only person in the world. Because he always thinks out of boxes. Never goes for traditional methods. Now his work is, how much work right now is. The total GDP of Pakistan is around $180 billion. And the net worth of right now is around $192 billion. More than the 22 crore population of Pakistan. So somebody was calculating that every second he earns so many thousands of dollars. So that's the way. सबकों को बांध न पाएंगे मुसीबत की जंजीरें, रास्तों से जरा कह दो अभी भटका नहीं हूं मैं। सब्र का बांध टूटेगा तो फना करके रख दूंगा, दुश्मन से जरा कह दो अभी गर्जा नहीं हूं मैं। साथ चलता है दुआओं का काफिला, किस्मत से जरा कह दो अभी तन्हा नहीं हूं मैं। आखिर में अल्लामा इकबाल का एक मैसेज है सबके लिए, खासतौर पर लीडर्स और मैनेजर्स के लिए, कि हम सब कहते हैं कि हर एक की जिंदगी में एक गोल होना चाहिए, एक पर्पस होना चाहिए, उसके सुख के लिए जिद्दोजहद करनी चाहिए। तो इकबाल क्या कहते हैं? मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, दरिया जो तुझे मिल जाए समंदर तलाश कर। हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर। अभी हम देखते हैं, तारीख में पढ़ते हैं कि 300 साल से उम्मत मुस्लिमा पस्ती पसमानदगी का शिकार है। दुनिया में 56 मुस्लिम कंट्रीज हैं, लेकिन उन तमाम की जीडीपी एक एवरेज कंट्री है स्पेन, यूरोप का, उससे भी कम। तो ये उसके बारे में अल्लाह कहते हैं, सजदों से तेरी क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गई, सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ सदियां गुजर गई, दुनिया बदल दे जो तेरी वो सजदा करार कर। करे सवार ऊंट पर अपने गुलाम को, करे सवार ऊंट पर अपने गुलाम को, और खुद चले पैदल वो आका तलाश कर। थैंक यू।
Now, I would like to introduce our principal sir, Professor Dr. Usman bin Said is the principal of college. He has a total teaching experience of more than 50 years from many colleges of Telangana. He also served as chief editor for many peer-reviewed journals. He has participated in several national and international conferences. He has instrumental in the development of the academic research department in the college and has motivated several college staff members to write research articles. He encourages the students to think out of the box and take novel initiatives. Now, our principal sir will share his valuable views.
Respected Honorable Sir, governing body and Northern Education Association, Muhammad Ibrahim Ali, Vice Principal, Anwarul College of Business Management, dedicated faculty, and my future budding managers, my dear students. On behalf of Anvatum College of Business Management, I welcome you all. I wish to congratulate you for selecting this college and making yourself as the mark in this college. Dear students, I want you that you are joining the student-centric academic community together with the entire supporting committee of dedicated faculty and staff. We will do our best to provide you with the caring environment that will enable you to take the right steps towards a brighter future. The world and indeed the country is still battling newer variants of COVID-19. We have to adjust our operations, including the learning process of virtual and physical classes, to make the college safe from the entire community, and we have taken deliberate measures to avoid the spread of this pandemic. And it is important that you follow the measures which we are about to provide, not just for you, for the entire country. Yes, students, I want you that the management will go to the great lengths to protect your interest as a students throughout your stay in the college. I would like to say to you that Anvatum College of Business Management has always been in forefront in the academic delivery and conduct of seminars and workshops, as well as special events. In this respect, the college has conducted many events in 2020 and 2021. Like we got webinars by eminent faculty, we got CCA events, we had been for graduation day and many more events we have been doing, all these things. Coming towards the faculties, those who are being about to deal the subjects for you, will be like, I will be dealing marketing management for you all. Like our vice principal sir, he will be dealing accounting for management for the first years. Dr. Y.D. Rodri madam, she has been the senior faculty and she will be involved in many programs. She will be dealing IT application for management for first semester. Dr. Atya Mehmood, she will be a professor in finance. She will be handling accounting for management for the first semester. Dr. Abdul Ali, who is been in field and marketing, will be taking marketing for first semester. Ms. Shaina Sultana, she has been serving her October and she will be taking management and organization behavior for the first semester. Ms. Shabana, she is a dedicated faculty, she will be taking accounting for management for the first semester. Mr. Syed Muzaffruddin, the academician and educator, he will be taking marketing as well as accounting for management for the first semester. Ms. Rahima Misa, who is a leader of our professor, she will be taking statistics for management for the first semester. Ms. Sadia Aziz, she will be handling HRC for the first semester. Ms. Shirin Manu looks after several coordinating activities besides academics. She will be taking management education for the first semester. Ms. Bushra Osman, she is actively part of many field activities besides academics. She will be taking IT applications. Ms. Ruhina, another young and talented faculty faculty, she will be handling management and organization behavior. Apart from this, she will also take management communication. Last but not the least, Mr. Sagin sir, who is not available today, he is a critical placement officer and also he will be taking IT application for management. I just wanted to state you certain rules that whenever you have been the part of Anvatum College of Business Management, there are certain rules that you need to maintain attendance of 75% for the entire academic year. If that is not been possible, then you are not eligible for writing your examinations. And besides this, we have smart classes where you will be learning everything, like it has been an industry-oriented thing.
Mr. Mohammad Ibrahim Uddin has a total teaching experience of more than 20 years. He published several papers and participated in many national and international conferences. He is a strong proponent of a system for conscious, consistent and academic action to improve the academic and administrative performance of the institution functioning towards quality enhancement through internalization of quality culture and best practices. Our RQAC coordinator will now address the first year students.
Assalamu alaikum everybody and good morning to you all. Respected MLA staff, member governing body Environment Education Association and our principal Professor Usman bin Salim and our faculty and our dear students. We welcome you all to Environment College of Business Management and Environment College of Computer Studies. Today is your first day for your MBA. We hope that during your MBA course you try to develop good communication skills, you are enhancing your subject knowledge and computer skills. Try to develop and learn how business done using technology as technology is making changes in the business environment. And I expect that every student of our college to be disciplined, have vision, have competitive spirit, positive thinking, and this to become future managers or individuals. Thank you very much and welcome to you all.
Now I request Dr. Y. Vinodini Madam to give vote of thanks.
Good morning everybody. I truly congratulate all the students who has taken up MBA program and I also congratulate you for taking in our college, in Anwar College of Business Management. And now I propose vote of thanks. I thank our Honorable Secretary, Janab Mahbub Alam Khan sir, and our Joint Secretary, Mr. Mujahid Alam Khan sir. I also thank our governing body member, Mr. Dave sir, and I appreciate the efforts of our principal, Dr. Usman bin Salim, and vice principal and IPSC coordinator, Mr. Ibrahim Uddin, for their wonderful organizing of this particular orientation session to create a rapport, create a cohesiveness, create happiness for students to understand. And I also thank Sir and Dave sir for impressing upon the challenges and potentials you have to explore for the next normal which you are in now. And Sir has also thrust upon the critical thinking, which is the most important aspect for the budding managers who are going to be you. And I will also tell you, today it is something where we have tons of opportunities and simultaneously we have equal number of challenges. You need to explore with your strengths and minimize your weaknesses. And finally, I thank my teaching fraternity and my students for being with us for this auspicious day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dignitaries, thank you, faculty members, and thank you all the students for having here today. I request all the students to leave the hall. Thank you. And classes will be going to start from tomorrow in